Next, we'll look into repetition. So repetition is the ability of the object or the collection to store duplicate values. So now as we can see here, list will of course allow the repetition. As we can see here, it's included. Dictionary will allow it, but the set will not allow repetition. So except set, tuple, list, and dictionary will allow repetition, and also string would support the same. So let's start with the list. So if we'll say var list, and if we are going to provide it some value, say 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then again we are going to repeat say 1, and then if we print it again, you can see that the value 1 is repeated twice. Same thing is applicable for dictionary. So if we have a dictionary say var string, and if we provide it say 1 1 2 3, and then we print it here, so you can see it allowed us to store 1 2 times. Same thing is applicable for dictionary, where you can store where you can repeat the values, but please note you cannot repeat the dictionary. Let's see this. Repeat the keys. So if we have a variable dictionary and say rather than passing a1 and b2, this time we'll pass a1 and a2. Okay, so as you can see, last time we have put up a1 and b1, right now we are saying a1 and a2, and let's print it where dictionary. So you will see value 1 has been overwritten with value 2. Why? Because both the keys were same, A. So only one key has to be there. So keys would always be unique in dictionary. The values, however, can repeat. Same example we'll just extend for tuple. So let's say we have a var and tuple, and then say we'll assign 1 1 and again 1 1. And let's see. So you can see it allows us to store the same value. However, if we would be putting up the same values in a set, say 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then again 1, and then if we would print set, now set does not support the duplicacy. So let's see what happens. You will see one of the 1 has been removed, or same thing is applicable to other elements. So if you just provide duplicate values, it will ensure that the output or the actual values are unique, and anything that is duplicate, it will just remove it. Now you can use this property to actually get the unique values. So for example, if you have a list, so in this case we have this list, right? 1 2 3 1. Now if we were just supposed to say remove duplicate from this list, then you can simply convert it into a set by saying set, and then say you can provide the same list and just copy paste here, right? Or if you don't want it, you can also pass the variable name. For example, you can write var list, and then if you say the output, out of 1 2 3 1, ones were duplicate and this has been removed here, so it's just 1 1. So that's a one way. Sometimes you will get the same question in interview also, like how can you remove duplicates, and then you can say like using set keyword also you can do that, right? It's interesting, no?